game was very good to play. Just me? I also really
So
want
are
to play.
we gonna use a new meta?
I already have a gamer gauntlet. Ooh.
I know.
There you go.
She proposed in that order, Annie got up. And I realized yesterday she had a collaboration with Robocan. Why? She thinks too high, right? Yeah!